Hello everyone and welcome to our weather update on July 28th, 2024. So today we saw a warm and dry day with some hazy sunshine. Now tonight we'll see cloud thickening there from the west, and that will bring some patchy rain into Connacht and Ulster. There are areas in Munster and Leinster should stay mostly dry overnight with some clear spells. And through Monday itself, we'll see a cloudy day away from the far southeast, where there'll be some hazy sunshine at times. And through the afternoon, some rain pushing towards the west of the country, and that should be quite light and patchy. Into the evening, or through the day, we'll see some sunshine at times, especially in the southeast and parts of Ulster as well, and more widely into the evening. Through the night, that line of rain should die off and just turn into an area of clouds that should gradually push southwards overnight. And so by morning, the Midlands and North are sunny, while it's cloudier in the south. Now through Tuesday, we'll see a day of cloud and sunshine mixed together. So some cloud and sunshine, hazy at times. Also a warm day as well. Now through to Wednesday, we see further high cloud at times. So again, a day of cloud and hazy sunshine, and possibly a few showers forming in the west. These quite light. Now through Thursday, Thursday we see some big storms forming over the UK. For Ireland, it's just again a warm and dry day again for the most part before some patchy rain comes in through the evening. And through to Friday, we see this next more active system coming in there from the west to introduce some cooler, fresher air from the ocean. So here is the temperature forecast from the UKV. So again, today we had highs of around say 19 to 21 or 22 Celsius. So again, it is a warm day at last. Tonight we'll see lows of around 9 to 15, coolest in the southeast. So quite a mild night really. Into Monday, we see highs of around say 16 to 21 Celsius. That is warmest in the southeast. Into Tuesday we see the lows of 7 to 15 Celsius, coolest in parts of Connacht and Ulster because they will be behind the cold front. But into Tuesday, temperatures once again do jump back up with highs of around say about 18 to 22 Celsius, warmest in Leinster and Munster. And for the UK, as I said, in those southern and eastern counties, temperatures like in the 29 to 30 to 32 Celsius. So it's a hot day for those areas. We haven't seen many of those so far this summer at all. Anyway, so into the end of the day and into Wednesday, where we see quite a mild night. Before Wednesday's highs reach around 19 to 22 Celsius. Into Thursday, well, Thursday morning is a very mild morning with lows in the mid-teens, a warm morning even, and highs in the afternoon of a very warm 18 to 23 or possibly even 24 Celsius. I think on Thursday it'll be humid as well. Into Friday starts mild, very mild even, before highs of a cooler 15 to 19 thanks to rain pushing in. Okay, so here is the NAO, index observed and forecasted. So we're currently having a positive NAO, and that is very well reflected by the Azores high coming in. But into early August, it's like the average line of the GFS ensembles is neutral NAO, so going more negative basically. Definitely into early August. So and we'll see how that happens with the GFS 12Z run and so on. So again, we have that nice extension there from the Azores high into Ireland and Western Europe there today, into tomorrow Monday and beyond that. Well, we see that high pressure around the country, not entirely sunny. There'll be plenty of high cloud around, and sunshine will be hazy at times. So into next week, as we said, up to about Thursday, it's warm and dry. Thursday starts to see westerly winds coming through, and into Friday especially, deep low coming in, and we see a lot of rain showers into the weekend, and into the following week again, it stays unsettled, it stays cool, and we keep going into mid-August, and it just keeps on going. Possibly a slight um, raise in pressure by August 13th, but very slight. Here's the ECM once again, as always, is nicely in with plenty of fair weather through the rest of July and through the first day of August as well. But August 2nd, okay, yeah, low pressure is coming through with plenty of rain and blustery winds and showers. This next low comes through on the 5th of August, that one there, and we keep going. And that same low, that mother low with possibly small like daughter lows around it, will just stay there for about a week on end, I think, from August 2nd, and just keep giving us lots of rain. But I think, well, 5 days really, because by August 7th, that is going towards Scandinavia, and we're seeing a bit of a bump in pressure, but that's barely anything. So here's the GEM. Once again, GEM, we've secured this warm spell fair and square. So let's just enjoy it up until Friday, and that's when things will go a bit wild and possibly stormy even by Saturday. That'll be very blustery, very windy, and very showery weekend there. Into August 5th, well, we start to see this next low bring a deluge probably, and then beyond that we just go very cool and very wet. A big blocking area of high towards like Greenland, Iceland, and you know this trough gets stuck over us. Upper temperatures, upper temperatures are quite chilly with that. All the heat is trapped away towards like Iberia, Mediterranean, Central, Southern, Eastern Europe there. So that's where the hot weather is. Going towards the UK Met run. UK Met run once again. We're warm and dry up until Thursday, Friday. Barrage points. The low breaks through. Not as stormy with the UK Met, thankfully, but it's still unsettled. So the GEM is going for very, very gusty winds through the weekend. So far, none of the other charts are doing that. So here's the icon. Once again, we know what's happening. Fair weather up until Thursday with some warm temperatures as well, quite widely into the low 20s. Now, Icon is also going very blustery actually through Saturday, very blustery day Saturday. That's quite unseasonable for early August there. Actually, yeah, that is watching. Could be I say that there'd be definite warnings enforced for that, given it's August, treating fall leaf. If it comes off like that, there will at least be a yellow warning enforced for like western and northern counties into the weekend. Yeah, as you know, that first low comes through on Saturday, then a second one on Monday, bringing some further rain and gusty winds. Here is the arpege. So the arpege is like this. Once again, plenty of high pressure up until Monday. The high is actually to our south a bit, so it's a bit westerly. Tuesday is back over us though, so winds do die off. And Wednesday is over us, but Thursday is us weekend off. Westerly winds come back. And then into Friday, that deep low needs watching. That's low. That might bring a stormy weekend, especially on Saturday. Everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.